In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create workflows in Asana. First, open Asana and head straight to the specific project where you want the workflow to run. Make sure you're viewing the project itself, not a portfolio or a report. It helps to confirm you have the right permissions in the project, since only editors or admins can create and publish workflows. Starting in the correct project ensures your rules apply exactly where work is happening. Next, look for the plus icon at the top of your project view. This is the quick way to add new elements and access advanced features. Click that plus icon. If your layout looks a little different, it's usually toward the top bar of the project, near other project controls. Opening this menu is your gateway to building automations that save time and reduce manual steps. From the menu that appears, choose Workflow. This opens the Workflow Builder, a visual canvas where you can define triggers and actions. Think of it as the logic hub for your project. Something happens, and Asana automatically takes care of the follow-up. Now, select Form Submissions as your trigger. This tells Asana to watch for any task created from a form submitted to this project. It's perfect for intake processes like requests, tickets, or brief submissions. Choosing this trigger ensures every incoming form translates consistently into organized work without you needing to triage by hand. With the trigger in place, edit your workflow the way you prefer. Start by naming it clearly so teammates understand its purpose. Set any conditions related to the form, such as using responses to root work. Then add actions that match your process. Automatically assign the task to the right owner, set a due date based on submission time, move it into the correct section, fill in custom fields like priority or category, and add followers who need visibility. You can also post an automatic comment with next steps or link to guidelines. Keep the logic simple and purposeful. Fewer well-targeted actions often work better than a long chain that's hard to maintain. Double-check for overlaps with any existing rules to avoid conflicting automations. When everything looks good, click Publish. Publishing activates the workflow so new form submissions immediately follow the rules you've set. If you spot something to improve later, you can return to the builder, adjust the settings, and publish again. Remember, changes will apply going forward, keeping your process up to date without disrupting existing tasks. And that's it. You've turned form intake into a reliable, automated workflow in Asana, freeing your team to focus on the work that matters.